Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. Edwin Allen, standout World Under 20 champion, Mrs. Tina Clayton, has broken her own under 20 100-meter sprint record, ladies and gentlemen, in Cali, Colombia. You know I'm Rastafari soldier. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nation. Ladies and gentlemen, you know I'm Rastafari soldier.
Yes,
Your favorite
greetings.
Jamaican from the sprint nation. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm elated once again. It's running time, track and field. You have a standout, an excellent sprinter from the school of Edwin Allen, but she also has a co-teammate, Serena Cole. It's the beast from the east, ladies and gentlemen. Talented Jamaican young sprinter Tina Clayton has broken her own national junior record to easily win the women's 100-meter final at the World Under 20 Championship in Cali, Colombia on Wednesday. And me have a little piece of the race. Stick with me. Let me add the content to the content. Okay, the 17-year-old has destroyed her opposition to retain her title and impressively beat them at a 10.95 second. Also representing a championship record, ladies and gentlemen, the 10.95 seconds surpassed the previous national under 20 record she set June 24th at Jamaica's trial when beating the 10.97 record by Briana Williams, 2021. Clayton's teammate Serena Cole, who has her schoolmate as a factory sprinter in the runoff, Edwin Allen High, the beast out the east, took the silver medal with 11-14. U.S. champion 17-year-old Shawnti Jackson, the daughter of 205 World 400-meter hurdle champion Bershawn Jackson, clocked her personal best at 11.15 to get the bronze medal. Ladies and gentlemen, that happens, when you run against the best, you get your personal best just 1/1000th of a second ahead of N'Ketia Seedo of the Netherlands. Clayton got a flying start out the blocks. From there, the result was never questioned. The 17-year-old put open daylight between her and her rivals, staying low to the ground throughout the opening half before getting into her full stride and zooming away to the goal. Coming out was my mindset. Wasn't just to win the game. My mindset wasn't about personal best or championship record. It was to defend my title, said Clayton. I didn't feel any pressure. I have always had the confidence that I will put in the work and trust my coach, Michael Dyke. Clayton's twin sister, Tia, will be in the action over the 200-meter over the next coming days and will be joining Cole for the 4x100 relay, where they ratified the world record of 42.9 for the Jamaican run in the last year World Under 20 final. Looking to borrow time right now because she says, we will take that record, said Tina, as of what she has hoping for the future is to achieve to break that record. I'm going to let you see this right now, but listen to the last line of this beautiful young lady. Just go out there, do my best, make some money, and make my family proud. That goosebumps me get, ladies and gentlemen. Me I go show you a little piece of the film when me see on the internet. Hopefully they don't get vexed and say me a thief them things. So listen up, people. I want you to give me a subscribe, give me a like and share. Make me know what I go on and what I go on. If you like what me I deal with. If you don't want, I and I to change up anything else. But this was the far right soldier here of Deep Roads TV, like me say. Me I go make you see one look up piece of the film or the race. So just give me a thumbs up, people. Bear with me for a second. Let me find the local film. Hopefully them deal with me right and don't give me no copyright strike. Yeah, God damn. More life and more joy, probably. So, I'm going to go and touch a team. See it come in right now. Alright. Yeah, sorry about that. But, you know, I man never really have it line up like that bright. Yeah, see them there. See them there. It look like so them ready for run out. So, listen up. This is Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, I'm just adding context to the race right now when I pray. I run, them I go run. And like I said, this was an excellent race. Look at Tina Clayton in the center, ladies and gentlemen, powering herself to a world under-20 champion, world-defining time of 10.95. Jamaicans love these people. May I tell you no, we love that kind of thing. I don't ramp with the running because every year we make sure we account. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier of Deep Roots TV. Give thanks and praise. I did get that footage off the ABC YouTube site. So if you want to go check out the full race, go check it out. I just wanted to give you a little look of what's going on and how my Empress them made me proud. You are going to I'm going to talk it out loud. So let me make you see it again one more time. You are going to, my friends. More life and more joy, yeah, more happiness. Big up on yourself. Jamaicans, we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' win, we gon' win. And if we lose, it's a sin. There is Tina Clayton, look how she run low. Them can't catch her. Only her teammate can even come close. And more life and more joy and more happiness. Them are big. We love we running. If you never know, Tina Clayton I come up soon. Tina Clayton will be in the 200 meter. But right now, we're applauding our new sprint under 20 queen. She's going to make some money when she go pro. And more life and more joy. Make some more dough and more happiness. I'm Rastafari Soldier. Congratulations to Jamaica. Another 100 meter record. Imagine, 17-year-old running 10.95 for free with no bribe. More life and more joy and more happiness.
Hello, my name is Ashina and welcome to Deep Roots TV. Pick up Deep Roots TV. Respect, make sure to tune in the air every time.